Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video, and welcome to another day of countdown to the new year. 2021 about to be here. Yep, 2021 about to be. Okay, here I go again. What's up everybody? As you guys can tell by the title down below, I am going to be doing a look featuring all of my high-end favorites that I have used and fallen in love with throughout this year. Basically what I did for the drugstore, you guys are going to see me do an eye look, which today's eye look is going to feature the Venus XL palette. You guys know I love this. Really shocked me, like really shocked me, as well as the Pat McGrath Eye Ecstasy Subversive palette. Because this palette is all shimmers, that's why I'm using it with the Venus XL palette, kind of getting my matte shades from here, and then of course going to do the shimmer that I want to match my eye look. So without further delay, hope you guys enjoy this video and hope you guys enjoy this look, and I will catch you guys at the end. Side note, I don't know why I decided to do this today, but because they're both my favorite foundations, I just mixed the Too Faced Born This Way foundations, both formulas, the original and the matte version. So we're gonna see how this goes. Y'all pray for me. Okay, so side note, I like the coverage and I like the look of both of them mixed together. There's just one problem with this. I just realized that the one I grabbed is a different shade. So I just mixed Cocoa from the original and Tiramisu from the matte together.
Well, this should be good.
So the difference between Tiramisu and Cocoa is the undertone. So this has a golden undertone. It's still the deepest shade. And then Cocoa is the deepest shade in a neutral undertone. But I do like them mixed together. Like, it's not overly glowy or overly dewy looking like sometimes it can look like with the original by itself, but it's not overly matte like just the matte foundation is. So I actually like that, especially for the winter, because I'm still oily combo, but during the winter months I can have more drier spots, and I think this would actually be a good mix if I didn't mix Tiramisu with Cocoa. But we're gonna press on. Just wanted to throw a side note in there because I just want y'all to know one of these isn't like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Okay, random thing. Has anybody ever noticed a scent with the Fenty Pro Filter setting powder? Has anybody ever noticed a scent? I don't know what it smells like, but I noticed a scent. I mean, it's not a bad scent. It smells like amazing. Like, what is that scent? I don't know what that scent is. I mean, don't go sniffing powder. Don't do that. I'm not telling you to sniff powder, but next time you apply it, like, see if you smell a different aroma, like, happening. All right, let me just get back to my face. Bam, we're done. We ain't even gotta do nothing else. Yeah, guys, this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Yes, I did use eyeshadows as a highlighter. Fight me. But it looks so beautiful. So it's like, it fits the look. Same thing as with the drugstore. The face speaks for itself. This is why these are my favorites. Outside of mixing the Born This Way foundations, which I usually don't do, actually turned out very well. Like really, really well.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here.
Let me know what some of your high-end makeup favorites are, as well as let me know some of your drugstore favorites are. If you have not watched your drugstore video, you can just go ahead and comment in that video what some of your favorites are. Have you guys picked up any favorites from watching some of my tutorials this year? Let me know. Chat with me down in the comments down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos for the countdown to the new year. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace.